Boys and girls, today you will learn how to use text evidence to support your opinion and write a paragraph. So let's take a look at our writing prompt. You read Marvelous Marble Mania yesterday. Well, the author of Marvelous Marble Mania writes that marble games are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. Do you agree? Write a short essay to share your opinion. Read your essay carefully after you finish writing and correct any grammar, capitalization, punctuation, or spelling mistakes. Now, boys and girls, that is a lot, so let's break this down. Number one, the first question is, do you agree? Well, do you agree with what? It's do you agree with the author that the marbles are fun, challenging, and easy to learn? So it's a simple yes or no. Your opinion. Do you agree? Then you're going to write a short essay, number two, to share your opinion. When you're done, you will reread your essay and then correct any grammar, capitalization, punctuation, or spelling mistakes. So you have 4 things to do with this one question. Well, first of all, what is an essay? An essay is a short piece of writing. So this won't be long. It's going to be a short piece of writing that answers that question. But when I say short piece of writing, I mean it's a well-constructed paragraph. It doesn't have to be 5 paragraphs like your winter writing, just 1. Now let's look at this example. I agree with the author that marbles are fun. Do you think that is an essay? No, it is too short. That is not an essay. That is a sentence. Remember, I said an essay is a well-constructed paragraph. So that means you need to write a paragraph. So let's look at this question again. The author of Marvelous Marble Mania writes that marble games are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. Do you agree? Write a short essay to share your opinion. Read your essay carefully, and after you finish writing, correct any grammar, capitalization, punctuation, or spelling mistakes. So I want you to pause this video. You are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil because we are going to write this one together. Welcome back, boys and girls. Remember the first part of your question? It says, do you agree? So let's read it. The author of Marvelous Marble Mania writes that marble games are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. Do you agree? All right, for the sake of today, we are all going to agree with the author. We're all going to say yes. That way we can write together and find text evidence together. So let's write our opinion statement. Yes, I agree with the author of Marvelous Marble Mania that marble games are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. What do you notice about this opinion statement? It lists your 3 reasons, right? Just like in the winter writing. Only this time we're going to use a paragraph instead of 5 paragraphs. And all I did was restate the question. I used the exact same words that they gave me in the question to form my opinion statement. Pause the video and write your opinion statement on your paper. Yes, I agree with the author of Marvelous Marble Mania that marble games are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. Pause the video and write that down. All right, so boys and girls, we have our opinion statement written down. You wrote that on your paper. Now we need to find our text evidence to support our opinion. We have an opinion that marble games are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. So let's look in this paragraph about knuckle down. One thing the author says about knuckle down is that marbles are the oldest and most popular games in the world. They've been around for thousands of years. Can we use that text evidence? Well, maybe we can. How about we write, this game must be fun. Marbles have been played for thousands of years and is popular all over the world. I took what the author said and I put it in my own words. But that is our text evidence. Pause the video and write down your next 2 sentences. This game must be fun. Marbles have been played for thousands of years and is popular all over the world. All right, boys and girls, so we have our opinion statement and we have our first piece of text evidence. Now we need another piece of text evidence because we have to prove that marbles are challenging and easy to learn. The only thing we did last time was prove that they're fun. So let's look at the heading Keepsies. Is there any text evidence that can support our claim that marbles are challenging and easy to learn? Let's look. The author says that there are hundreds of games you can play with marbles. The author also says that the goal of most marble games is to knuckle down and shoot your opponent's marbles out of the ring. It takes a lot of skill, but if you practice enough, you can play for keeps. Let's use that. I am going to write according to the author. According to the author tells our readers that I'm using the text for evidence. So according to the author, there are many ways to play marbles. One game is ringer. It sounds challenging because you have to knock your opponent's marbles out. With practice, you can learn quickly. So boys and girls, I used some evidence from the text to support the claim that marbles are challenging and easy to learn. Pause the video and write down, according to the author, there are many ways to play marbles. One game is ringer. It sounds challenging because you have to knock your opponent's marbles out. With practice, you can learn quickly. Pause the video and write that down. All right, let's look at our paragraph. We have an opinion statement. I highlighted that in blue. Yes, I agree with the author of Marvelous Marble Mania that marble games are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. Then we wrote, this game must be fun. And I supported that opinion with text evidence. Marbles have been played for thousands of years and is popular all over the world. Then I used more text evidence. According to the author, there are many ways to play marbles. One game is ringer. It sounds challenging because you have to knock your opponent's marbles. With practice, I'm sure you can learn quickly. Now I need to just put a conclusion, which I also wrote in blue. This is why I agree that marble games are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. Boys and girls, I restated my opinion in the conclusion. Pause the video and write your conclusion. All right, so let's take a look at our question one more time. The author of Marvelous Marble Mania writes that marbles are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. 1, do you agree? We said we did. And we wrote an opinion statement. 2, write a short essay to share your opinion. Remember, essay means well-constructed paragraph. We did that too. 3, read your essay carefully after you finish writing. And 4, correct any grammar, capitalization, punctuation, or spelling mistakes. Let's go do that now. Yes, I agree with the author of Marvelous Marble Mania. Boys and girls, I noticed one thing. Did you notice? I is not capitalized. I should always be capitalized. This game must be fun. Marbles have been played for thousands of years and is popular all over the world. According to the author, there are many ways to play marbles. One game is ringer. It sounds challenging because you have to knock your opponent's marbles. With practice, oh no, I was not capitalized. I need to fix that too. I'm sure you can learn quickly. This is why my goodness, I didn't capitalize any I's. Agree that marble games are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. What's missing at the end? Right, I forgot to put a period after my conclusion, so I need to go back. Fix my I's because I is always capitalized, and put a period at the end of my conclusion. There we go. I made those changes. Pause the video and read over your paragraph. Did you write everything correctly? Do you have punctuation? Are there capital letters at the beginning of the sentence? And is I capitalized? Pause the video and make any corrections that you need to do. All right, boys and girls, let's check and be sure that we have supporting evidence from our text to support our opinions. The first opinion is games are fun, and our supporting detail is marbles have been played for thousands of years and is popular all over the world. Next, we said marbles are challenging, and we supported that with text evidence. One game is Ringer. It sounds challenging because you have to knock your opponent's marbles. And our last opinion was that marbles were easy to learn. And you can see we highlighted with practice, I'm sure you can learn quickly, which was text evidence because the author talks about practice. And don't forget, we started with an opinion statement and ended with a conclusion, both listing our reasons and our opinions for why marbles are fun, challenging, and easy to learn. So by the end of this, you should have a well-written paragraph. It should look just like mine because we did this together. So submit that back to your teacher through Schoology, and next time I'm going to let you find some evidence by yourself. Happy writing, boys and girls.